Okay guys, so we have this concept of the Paleo Bank Account, something that I came up with, and I recommend you guys implementing it to kind of support your ongoing consumption of food, if you will. And when we do that, we rely on our freezer where we're freezing these meals. And I just want to go over quickly how to reheat. So when I pull something out of the bank account, if I'm caught without it thawed out, then I'll just pull it straight from the freezer, and this is how I handle it. So come on over here, open this baby up, check this out. Locked, stocked, and ready to rock. And we have, I'm just gonna pull one of these. This is an Osso Buco meal from the Ogre Buco, Ogre fundraiser. I'll just crack the top off, and then it's all gonna be together. So I'll just pop it from here, set it in the pan, a little bit of water, not that much, lid on, flame on, and just let her roll. I'll kind of start it, get the water simmering, maybe on like medium high, and then turn it down to low. And once we get there, I'll show you how that looks. All right guys, we know we got our simmer going, and we have plenty of water around the edge. We'll just kind of feel this out and see what's happening. I'm actually gonna turn it over. Like that. Maybe add just a tad more water. A little touch of salt in there. And then turn it down all the way to kind of the lowest setting. And just let that get through the heat to penetrate the meat, thaw it out, and we'll plate it up in a couple minutes. All right guys, here we are. Just check our meat. Yeah, nice and tender. So I'll cut the heat. Come in here. Meat right in the bowl. Veggies right on top. And we get a little bit of an off color because we had the gremolata in there and we cooked that, and that's usually meant to be served fresh. So keep the gremolata frozen, separate, or in the fridge, and then just season it with gremolata. Garnish it with the gremolata at the end. But yeah, I mean, that's it, you guys. It takes about less than 10 minutes from frozen to your plate. It's gonna save you from the drive-thru, and it's gonna save you from those frozen pizzas. So again, I'm here showing you guys how the Paleo Bank Account works and doing everything I can to help you guys keep it paleo.